everyone. Do you know, I have been so rubbish picking up the camera and actually vlogging. Today's actually Friday. We have done quite a lot over the last few days. I feel like we've only been here like 2 days. I feel like it's going so fast. My brain's not computing. The first day you would have saw we went, what did we do? I think we went out for dinner and we had a bit too much to drink. My voice is still not great. Tried that medicine stuff and it's almost like, if anyone knows what tiger balm is, that's how I imagine the liquid stuff to taste. That's how I would imagine tiger balm to taste in liquid form. I'm a bit tired, like we keep going to bed like really late at night, like gone 2 o'clock. I think it's our body clocks are not settled in yet. Went to the waterfalls yesterday. We also got to a villa, which I'll insert a video in a second, on a rice field, and it was stunning. But we had a bug infestation of like massive red ants coming out of our wooden boarding of our door, and there was a gap between the door, and there was mosquitoes everywhere. There was a Huntsman spider. So we left there and we decided to come back here. And went out for dinner last night at a restaurant called Topaz where we had breakfast the other day. It's so nice in there, and there was a band playing, which I'll also set another video here just so you can see what I mean. Today I think we're chilling. I also had a pedicure yesterday morning. This morning we're going to get up and go out for breakfast, and then the boys have got a massage at 2. We're going to go to a temple maybe, and then we're watching a fire dance tonight. I'm sorry that I've been so crap with ending the vlog, starting the vlogging when we're out at the waterfall, but it's just, I just like enjoy the moment, and I'm like, oh my god, I didn't pick up the camera. Like, it's like I film the waterfall but don't film myself. So yeah, we are staying here again tonight, and then tomorrow we're actually heading down to Uluwatu. We've got a villa down there on the beach for about 3 or 4 nights, and then we're going over to Gili Islands. This isn't the best angle, but I just got to pour this coffee, and now we're just sitting outside. So I'm just having a shower quickly. We're having a coffee, and I think we're going to go down for breakfast. I'm so hungry. Lychee martini.
That's gonna hurt.
It's refreshing, but it's not. You try it.
It's banging. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but it's still got like the kick to it. How do you drink this? You need a straw.
What's this other thing? Oh, straw there.
Oh.
Oh.
Let's just do an update. We are at Topaz Cafe in Ubud, Bali, and I just had the, what did I have? Omelette, spinach omelette with feta on the top.
It's called like a strawberry.
And it was the most yummy thing. And Sam's got the strawberries and banana pancake with maple syrup.
It's infused into the pancake as well.
And it's just insane. And this location where we are, there's just palm trees. Are these bananas?
This is £2.
And how much is it?
£2.
£2. Just take a minute. Oh, and I also got a lychee martini. And Sam got a pina colada. Right.
Do you want to try it on camera? You cut out this bit of the strawberry in it. Put a banana on it as well.
No, you've not got a lot of banana.
It's alright. You've got to try that. You've got to try the whole thing. Shut.
Oh, well, that's a massive bit. I don't know if it fit in my mouth. Ow. It's like caramelised.
Mm-hmm. That's what I mean, look.
Oh my god.
I've never had pancakes like that.
What the hell? UK's just doing it so wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Bali, you're a dream. We're moving here. So guys, you definitely need to come here if you're in Ubud. I highly recommend it. Everyone is so nice and lovely, and I've gone really red and patchy. We had a massage this morning as well, which was actually insane. We needed it after our long flight yesterday. It's just so relaxing. I really don't look great right now. I'm sweaty, I'm patchy, I'm red, but it's all part of the Bali experience. We're gonna go back to the hotel, sit and relax by the pool, and I think sunbathe, maybe get another cocktail, and then I think we're gonna venture out and maybe come back here for lunch, and then after, I think we're going to go to a shop and try and find like natural medicine and sort of mosquito spray, because there's a few mosquitoes here and we do have the ones from the UK, but I just don't think it works. So yeah, and I'll show you the road as well in a second. I'll insert a clip as to how busy it is trying to walk across the road. How crazy this road is. Like this path is alright for now. Yeah, so do I. But then you've got to walk on this little tiny patch of green grass and then sort of go around a tree without getting hit. Like now, you've literally got to like go. You'll also find there's loads of like drains that are open as well when you're walking, trying to walk down this path on this tiny little road, and you've got to make sure you don't fall down it. And they have all these little offerings on the floor, which I'll show you.
Oh, there's a hoodie.
Craziness. And these are for this festival that's on today. Or I can't remember what I don't know if it's a festival, I can't remember what it's called, I really need to find out. But like these, it's just like wide open, you've got to dodge it. In paradise.
Actually, if we want to like work out now.
Work out.
Yeah.
Interesting. So refreshing. Ooh, this is good. Where's the catfish, Sam? It's gone! No, where's it gone? Alice, pick me up! Where's it gone? Why is everyone looking this way? Don't catfish eat you!
Maju